We're gonna be climbing a mountain out here. It's called Valhalla Peak. Pretty fucking cool name, so that's kind of the only reason I'm doing this. Buckhorn Wilderness, Olympic National Forest. Oh, that feels really good. I'll go up this. So I think that may be Valhalla Peak up there. Holy fuck. Okay. Holy fuck, dude. This is something. Look. One of those is Mount Olympus. That's the final boss of these mountains. That's Mount Jupiter. I think this here is the highest point.